Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 7 best upright vacuum. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. First of all, Shark Upright Vacuum. Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe with large dust cup capacity. HEPA filter, swivel steering, upholstery tool and crevice tool, blue, NV360. Brand, Shark. Color, navy. Item weight, 15.96 pounds. Product dimensions, 11.61 inch dx 14.37 wx 26.77 h. Style Navigator. Powerful suction, deep clean carpets and tackle bare floors with multi-surface powerful suction. Lift-away functionality, detachable pod for cleaning under furniture or detach the nozzle to clean above the floor, on upholstery, furniture, stairs, and more. Anti-allergen complete seal technology, works with a HEPA filter to trap dust and allergens inside the vacuum cleaner. Perfect for pets, powerful pet hair pickup attachments like the upholstery tool make cleaning pet hair a breeze. Swivel steering, easily maneuver your vacuum in and out of tight spaces, in corners, around furniture, and more. Brush roll shutoff, feature allows you to instantly switch from deep carpet cleaning to gentle bare floor cleaning. Large capacity dust cup, 0.9 quart capacity for longer cleaning sessions. Easily remove dust cup to empty debris in seconds. What's included? Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe Upright Vacuum, upholstery tool and crevice tool. Rinse filters under running tap water until the water runs clear. Squeeze filters and let air dry for 24 hours before replacing. Do not wash in dishwasher or washing machine. Number 2. Eureka Power Speed Lightweight. Powerful upright vacuum cleaner for carpet and hard floor, pet turbo. Style, upright. Is cordless? No. Color, yellow. Brand, Eureka. Lightweight and portable, this 10 pounds Eureka Power Speed upright vacuum cleaner is easy to use and delivers a powerful deep clean. Powerful multi-surface vacuum, with 5 height adjustment settings. This versatile vacuum can easily adapt between hard floor and deep carpet. Extra large dust cup, with an easy empty 2.6L dust cup. This bagless vacuum requires less frequent emptying for uninterrupted cleaning. Filtration, foam. Great for pet owners, includes a pet turbo tool, crevice tool, dusting brush and upholstery tool that can all be stored on board for easy access and above floor cleaning. Warning, when you use the vacuum cleaner, the floor brush may be clogged by hairs and dirts. We recommend cleaning the roller brush and the belt to remove the hairs and dirts every 2 weeks. If the roller and belt not clean for a long time, it may cause malfunction, and in some serious cases, there may be the risk of smoke and belt broken. Zero maintenance cost, washable filters and bagless design make the Power Speed easy to maintain. Number 3. Bissell 2252 CleanView Swivel Upright Bagless. Vacuum with swivel steering, powerful pet hair pickup, specialized pet tools, large capacity dirt tank, easy empty. Style, CleanView swivel. Is cordless? No. Color, green. Brand, Bissell. Every purchase saves pets. Bissell proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. Swivel head, yes. Carry handle, yes. Cleaning system, multicyclonic. Airflow indicator, yes. Swivel steering for maximum maneuverability. Makes cleaning around furniture and other obstacles easy. Triple action brush roll. Loosens, lifts, and removes embedded pet hair. Multi-surface cleaning with scatter-free technology. Stop the scatter when tackling dry pet messes on hard surfaces. Edge-to-edge cleaning. Tackle pet hair, dirt, and debris along edges and in corners. Number 4. Eureka NEU 10AE5 Powerful Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner. Carpet and floor, AirSpeed Ultra Lightweight Vacuum Cleaner, with replacement filter, blue, style vacuum cleaner, is cordless? No. Color, blue. Brand, Eureka. Powerful all-floor suction. The Eureka NEU 10AE5 upright vacuum cleaner effortlessly extracts dirt and hair from hard floors and carpets ease. The 10.5 wide cleaning path of this household vacuum cleaner helps cleaning larger areas quickly and with ease. Quick release handle for above floor cleaning. This upright vacuum cleaner best rated have crevice tool and dusting brush which can be attached to the end of the handle for cleaning upholstery, windows, and other hard to reach places. Lightweight easy storage, weighing only 7.7 pounds. This small vacuum cleaner can be carried anywhere with ease, while it's compact and featherweight. Design allows this bagless vacuum cleaner to be stored in any space in your home when not in use. Number 5. Shark NV352 Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum. HEPA filter, anti-allergen technology. Swivel steering, ideal for carpet, stairs, bare floors. With wide upholstery crevice tools, lavender, brand, Shark, special feature HEPA. Hypoallergenic, lightweight, portable, wheels, filter type, washable HEPA foam filters, included components, crevice tool, upholstery tool, is cordless? No, nullify, made in USA or imported, lift away functionality, lift away the detachable pod and easily clean above floor areas like stairs, furniture, and more. Anti-allergen complete seal technology, works with a HEPA filter to trap dust and allergens inside the vacuum cleaner. Powerful lightweight, powerful suction to deep clean carpets and tackle bare floors with a lightweight design for effortless portability. Brush roll shutoff feature allows you to instantly switch from deep carpet cleaning to gentle bare floor cleaning. Swivel steering, easily maneuver your vacuum in and out of tight spaces, in corners, around furniture, and more. Perfect for pets. Powerful pet hair pickup attachments like the wide upholstery tool make cleaning pet hair a breeze. Crevice tool, access corners, baseboards, tight spaces, and ceilings for versatile cleaning. Number 6. Bissell CleanView Compact Upright Vacuum. Fits in dorm rooms, apartments. Lightweight with powerful suction and removable extension wand, style, CleanView Compact, brand, Bissell, capacity, 1 liters, manufacturer, Bissell, every purchase saves pets. Bissell proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. Scatter-free technology. Captures messes on hard floors with less scatter, powerful suction. Convenient, powerful cleaning in one machine, lightweight and maneuverable. Weighs less than 8 pounds, so it's easy to transport, easy empty dirt container. Dispose of debris with a push of a button. Number 7. Shark Upright Vacuum. Navigator lift-away with self-cleaning brush roll. HEPA filter, swivel steering, upholstery tool pet crevice tool. Perfect for pets multi-surface, teal, ZU503AMZ, style lift-away with self-cleaning brush roll, is cordless? No, color, teal, brand, Shark, self-cleaning brush roll, engineered for more pet hair pickup with no hair wrap, versus Shark bristle nozzles, voltage, 120 volts. Wattage, 1200 watts, lift-away functionality, detachable pod for cleaning under furniture or detach the nozzle to clean above the floor, on upholstery, furniture, stairs, and more. Anti-allergen complete seal technology, works with a HEPA filter to trap dust and allergens inside the vacuum cleaner. Perfect for pets, the pet crevice tool removes pet hair from hard-to-reach spaces like corners, ceilings, and between couch cushions. Swivel steering, easily maneuver your vacuum to get in and out of tight spaces, in corners, around furniture, and more. Upholstery tool, picks up pet hair and debris from curtains, lampshades, and other delicate fabrics, as well as shelves, tables, and walls. What's included? Navigator lift-away upright vacuum, upholstery tool, pet crevice tool, owner's guide. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.